The second plantation crop is rubber, Hevia brasiliensis, Euphorbiaceae. Origin is Amazon rainforest of South America. It is a unique origin. Amazon rainforest of South America. Economic part is milky latex. Soil is deep fertile soil, highly deficient in available phosphorus. Soil is lateritic, pH is 4.5 to 6, acidic. Soil is highly deficient in available phosphorus, lateritic soil. Tropical climate, annual rainfall 2000 to 4500 millimeter, temperature 25 to 34 degrees Celsius, minimum to maximum, relative humidity 80%, avoid regions prone to heavy winds. Propagation by three types of budding, green budding, brown budding and crown budding. Three types of budding. What are the three types of budding are used in rubber? Green budding, brown budding and crown budding. Propagation specially by modified forkate method. Modified forkate method is done in April to May. Planting time is June to July. Peat size is 1 meter cube. Spacing 4 to 9 meter into 4 to 9 meter. Plants number 420 population per hectare. So rubber, the scientific name is Hevia brasiliensis. Euphorbiaceae is the family. Origin is Amazon rainforest of South America. Economic part is milky latex. Soil is deep fertile lateritic soil, highly deficient in available phosphorus. pH is 4.5 to 6, acidic pH. Tropical climate, annual rainfall 2000 to 4500 millimeter, temperature 25 to 34 degrees Celsius, minimum to maximum. Relative humidity 80%, relative humidity is high, 80%. Avoid regions prone to heavy winds. Avoid the regions that are prone to heavy winds. So, rubber can't tolerate heavy winds. Rubber is sensitive to heavy winds. Propagation by three types of budding. What are the three methods of budding? Green budding, crown budding and brown budding. Propagation is specially by modified forkate method that is done in April to May. Planting time is June to July. Peat size 1 meter cube. Spacing 4 to 9 meter into 4.9 meter. 4.9 meter into 4.9 meter. Plants number 420. Plants population per hectare. Then manuring in April to May and September to October. Apply NPK on matured rubber trees under tapping. NPK 10:10:10 grade mixture at the rate 900 gram per tree or at the rate 300 kg per hectare every year in 2 split doses. After application, growing of cover crops like Pureria, fascioloids, Calopagonium, muconoids, Centrosema pubescens and Desmodium evalifolium. Weeding, weeds eradication by labor or weedicides like 2,4-D formulation sprayed early in the season. Firnoxone at the rate 2 kg in 450 liter of water. So manuring is done in April to May and September to October. Manuring, apply NPK on matured rubber trees under tapping. NPK 10:10:10 ratio grade mixture at the rate 900 gram per tree or at the rate 300 kg per hectare. Every year in 2 split doses NPK. After application, growing of cover crops. What are the cover crops that are used for rubber cultivation? Cover crops that are used for rubber cultivation are Pureria, fascioloids, Calopagonium, muconoids, Centrosema pubescens, Desmodium evalifolium. What are the cover crops? Pureria, fascioloids, Calopagonium, muconoids, Centrosema pubescens and Desmodium evalifolium. Weeding, weeds eradication by labor or weedicides like 2,4-D formulations. Firnoxone at the rate 2 kg in 450 liter of water sprayed early in the season. Then harvesting of 6-year-old plants, diameter 6 inches on 150 millimeter, harvesting of by rubber tapping. What is the harvesting method of rubber? Rubber tapping. Collection of latex from a rubber tree by slicing a groove into a bark of tree at 6.4 millimeter or 1 quarter inch depth with a hooked knife and peeling back the bark. Tapping, S part 2, D part 2, half spiral alternate day for 6 months and rested for 3 months with 100% of intensity. So harvesting of 6-year-old rubber plants, diameter of harvesting 6 inches or 150 millimeter or 6 inches. Rubber tapping. Harvesting by rubber tapping, collection of latex from a rubber tree by slicing a groove into bark of the tree at 6.4 millimeter or 1 quarter inch depth with a hooked knife and peeling back the bark. Tapping, S part 2, D part 2, half spiral. S part 2, D part 2, half spiral. Alternate day for 6 months and rested for 3 months with 100% of intensity. S part 2, D part 2, half spiral. Alternate day for 6 months and rested for 3 months with 100% of intensity. Yield increase year by year. Yield increase year by year, highest yield after 14 years of planting. Annual yield in South India from seedling trees 375 kg per hectare, from budded plants 800 to 1000 kg per hectare. So yield is more from budded plants for 800 to 1000 kg per hectare and less from seedling trees 375 kg per hectare. So yield increase year by year. Yield is highest after 14 years of planting. Annual yield in South India from seedling trees 375 kg per hectare and from budded plants 800 to 1000 kg per hectare.